A day in my life as a HM student. When I wake up in the morning, I use my phone first and pray to the Lord. I hope He will give me strength and full of confidence. After that, I get up to prepare my class. First, toothbrush, then take a bath. Why grooming, personal cleanliness habits, being presentable is very important in the hospitality and tourism industry. It is because grooming and personal cleanliness are integral to providing a positive, professional, and safe environment that enhances guest experience and upholds the standards of the hospitality and tourism industry. Personal cleanliness or hygiene standards ensures that employees are adhering to health and safety standards, which is particularly important in the food and beverage industry or any setting where guests are in close proximity. It prevents the spread of germs as a worker of hospitality industry. Guests expect clean. Personal grooming plays a crucial role in creating a positive first impressions. It communicates a sense of professionalism, attention to detail, and care for one's appearance. This is especially important in the hospitality industry where guests expect a high level of service and attention. Good personal hygiene is vital because it helps stop you from getting sick. It also helps stop you from spreading germs and infectious diseases. Good personal hygiene is essential for any food handler and minimizes the risk of food contamination. Most people carry harmful bacteria on their bodies and can unknowingly transport them to food.